My graphic notation that goes along with my drama story. As you can see, I have bells, the scraping along a book spine, the use of my voice, clapping pens together, and body percussion, clicking my fingers. So it will start at the beginning with some bells jingling away, nice and happy and high in sound, as myself and Gary the gecko go to meet Kerry the koala. So we're happy and cheerful. Then we meet Gary the koala and Kerry the koala, and she comes down from the tree. We have this scraping. Sort of varies in level of noise as we do it. And that is as the koala comes down and starts to tell us that it's running out of places to live. Down here, this is where we meet our wombat, and our wombat is shaking and scared, so it's boom, 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 building that suspense. Then we move into our falling action, and we're coming up a little bit in our sound, and we have our pens clicking together, and this is while Gary the gecko is linking what we've been told to his experience, and while I'm thinking about what we can do to help. So it's kind of like a clock ticking almost. It's going tap, 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 tap. And then at the end here, our resolution. This is the click. And as you can hear, the sound, it starts off really strong, just the thick bit, really strong, and it kind of goes up and gets softer with the click. And that's like the light bulb. Aha! This is what we're going to do. So if we put it all together, we have boom, 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 boom. Thank you.